In this video, we're going to create our search page, and we will have a different filters to narrow the search results, just like what you see in the Airbnb page. For example, you got started, ended, you got mean price, mark price, etc. So let's start. In our project, let's open F controllers and open page controller. All right, so in here, I'll just create a new action, name search. All right, and let's open config and browse.rb. And here we got get, let's say search page and the search. Now it's a critical part where we're going to create our search page. So I'm just going to close this one for now. Let's go back to our views page, and we're going to create a new file named search.html.erb. Now first, because we're going to design our search page with the half of the screen is going to be the search panel, and on the right hand side is going to be the Google map. So I'm going to divide this like first we got the create a new div with ID main, and then we got the div left, and then the div right. All right, so like I say, on the right hand side, we're gonna display the Google map. All right, will be here, and for the left side, it's gonna be the search panel. All right, cool. That's the very basic structure of our search page. And now I want you to open assets and stylesheet and application.scls, and well, let's just say this one for search. And first we got for the ID equal main, we say height equal 100%. Overflow, we say hidden. All right, for the left, we say padding. First, it's going to be 10 pixel for 100 pixel, 10 and 20. And then overflow, we say scront, and high, we say 100%. Now for the right position, we say fixed. It's going to be 0. Right, we say 0 as well. And for the width, let's start with 450 pixel. And for the height, of course, it's going to be 100%. Cool. So now just close this one. All right, so inside here, let's start. So first, I'm going to create a new row. And inside it, just make a break here to make a space, and we're going to create a new div with class. Let's say collapse, and we got ID equal. Let's say this one collapse panel. Let's say that. The reason we're going to put all our form into this div is that because in later state we're going to make this one is collapsible, so we can show and hide the whole panel. All right, so inside here, first let's create a new form, and it's going to say search form for, and we're going to create a new variable named search. URL is going to be search path, and do. All right, and don't forget the and here. So up here, let's create a new div row, and here we got the div columns md8, and this one, let's say label price range. All right, so we just add the price range, and this one is columns md, let's say 2 inside here we just say label mean price, and then just create f dot text field. Oops, up here I forgot the f, so you got the f text field, and here we say price. Alright, and greater than or equal, and we got a class is form control. Now don't worry if you don't understand what's happening here. Like I say, because we're going to use a gem called Ransack for searching. It's very popular and powerful gems, and I will explain everything in later stage, but right now you can understand this one. Just like you type the value here, and the Ransack will calculate all of the things that greater than that price. Alright, and I'm gonna copy this one, copy, and of course we got max price, and this one is less than or equal the price. Okay, and then we just make the HR here, and next we'll just create a new row, and inside here I'll just create, well actually this one we can go to home page. Yep, and I can copy the start date and end date that we done before, copy, and just put it here. Of course we change this one to 6 and 6, save it. Alright, everything looks good, except we change this one to read only to true. Copy and put it here. Alright, that looks good. Next, we're going to create another row, and this one's for our checkbox, so I'll just create new columns MD4, and down here we just create the checkbox tag, and here is interesting things. We say queue, and we say room type equal any of these. Alright, and we're going to pass the label is anti, and we say anti room. Okay, and I'll just copy this one and paste here, and we got room type equal any. We change this one to private and share it. Alright, and change this one to private and share it, and make a HR here. Next, we're going to create another another row, and just create another rows, and here we got the columns MD4, and this one just create a new div, and this one is from group, and select. Alright, and here I'm going to create a new label. This one, let's say accommodate. That looks good, and we're going to paste the selection of accommodate here. I think we already done that in the room, so I'll just open the room, and let's go to the listing.html. Yep. Where's accommodate? Okay, this one here. So I'll just copy this one, copy, and paste in here. Right, cool. So we just need to change this one to accommodate greater than or equal. All right, now once you done that, just copy and make another two, and this one's we change this one to, I'm gonna copy this. Alright, this one is bedroom, and another one's for the bathroom. Just copy. Alright, now we're going to add the greater than, just copy paste here, or you can type it. Okay, and this one we change to bedroom. All right. And this one is bathrooms. All right, so we're almost there, guys. Just bear with me, and we just make another HR probably. Okay, another row, and this one is let's say div.columns md4, and in here we just create the checkbox tag, and this one we say q is TV equal, and then we say true TV. All right, and I'm just copy paste 1 2 3 4. Yep, just need 4 more, and this one we call kitchen. For this one is internet. Heating, and air. This one is air conditioning. All right, the HR. Cool. And now we just come up with the last one, which is a button, which say text center. And here we just need to create the f.submit, say search, and the class is going to be btn and btn form. All right, save the file. The very last thing we want to add here is the jQuery for the date picker for start date and end date. That's we got up here. So we already done that in the previous video. Under page, let's open home, and I want you to copy everything in here. Just copy, going back to search page, and probably just put it at the bottom. All right, save the file. All right, so that's it. Right now, if you open the web browser, you should have the arrow. So if I go into search and hit enter, yep, straight away you will have the arrow which is expected, because we don't have the search form for yet. Like I say, we're going to use gem ransack, and this gem is very powerful. It will help you to determine all of the conditions, for example, the price greater than or less than, or the start date, end date, etc. It's very powerful. And in the next video, I will show you how we can create the search function with the ransack. I'll see you then.